Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. It has been forever. I am in a Dollar Tree parking lot and I am going to go in and see if we could finally film this video that I've been wanting to do a long time, which is my favorite gardening stuff from the Dollar Tree that is not located in the gardening section. Stay tuned. Okay, so as you know, the Dollar Tree has tons of stuff in the gardening section, but we're going to look at other parts of the store that might be helpful for gardening. So the first section I like is actually the storage and basket section. Specifically, I look for these baskets. I like to use these to sift the soil. So at the end and beginning of the season, there are these particles in your soil that you might not want, like rocks and stones, roots, etc. I don't like to filter out too much because it removes some of that good, rich compost that you need. So the size of these holes are perfect for me. Not too big, not too small. I try to avoid baskets like these for sifting because the openings are just too big. These are also great if you're collecting harvests throughout the season, like tomatoes or green beans. They are small enough for little ones to carry. My daughter used to love picking tomatoes with these. And my second favorite item is right down here, still in the same section. It's these garbage bins that they've had forever. I use these as a covering for young plants. We have a ton of rabbits, maybe like 4 nests now. And they love to eat nearly everything, even my marigolds, even my allium, which has a strong onion smell. And when I use these, sometimes I'll open up the top to let the plant grow through that. Usually by then, though, the stalks are thick enough that it doesn't seem to be as attractive to the rabbits. But these are great to protect the plant when it's really young. Now, these are not as strong as chicken wire, though. So just to warn you, the rabbit could technically get through these, but for a few years now, they've left mine alone. Plus, these are kind of nice that you can't see them right away from the street. Another item I like to get is the Epsom Salt. These are a great source of magnesium for your plants, but just make sure to check the back to make sure there is nothing else in the bag besides magnesium sulfate. You don't want anything else to be going into the plant roots that you don't have to have. In the kitchen section, I love to use these kitchen shears. I have tried the Betty Crocker one, and they've broken on me a couple times now. I've also used the Dollar Tree garden shears and have not had success. So these tend to be a lot stronger when I'm pruning my plants, especially tomato plants. Okay, and the last place I like to look for gardening items is the car section. Sometimes they'll even have nice name brand gloves. These gloves I like specifically because they're coated, so if I'm touching thorns, they're not really going to poke me. And I like these gloves because they're more form-fitting to my fingers. I don't feel like I'm trying to deal with huge gloves that are like oven mitts. Okay, and as a little bonus, these bins are a great size for storing seeds. Keep it in a cool place, and the seeds might last you for years. Also, occasionally in the clothing storage/laundry section, I will still see these big laundry clips that I love to use to help plants stay on a trellis. There are also plant clips of varying sizes in the gardening section, which you might prefer. But if you have arthritis in your hands, these larger clips might be easier to use. And that's it. Some simple gardening tools from the Dollar Tree that are not from the garden section. Please let me know what you think of this video below, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.